Create an application consisting of a razor page called index and its backing C# file. This means that the page index and its C# file are both required. Create two int properties I and j in the backing class. Set I to 7 and j to 2, display their sum using razor syntax. So we have to create these two properties in the backing class. So let us come to our project. And in this project we deleted these index pairing file in the last exercises. So let us now add them. To add them, let us right click the pages folder, add new. We'll add a class. This is class and I will name it index dot cshtml dot cs. I will add it and it gets paired to index.cshtml razor page. But this class I will call index model as convention and it should come from page model. So this is important, otherwise things will not work. So page model is giving me an error, so I'll right click this and show potential fixes. I'll select the first one and I get this class because its namespace has been added, and I will roll it a bit like this. Now here I have to create two public properties. I'll write public int I get set and give it an initial value of 2.